I'm in a beautiful town of Adeje in Tenerife, from where I will do the famous Barranco del Infierno hike. If you get to Adeje by car, my advice is to leave it in town, as parking spaces at the entrance are limited. From the town, there's a 10-minute walk uphill. The entrance fee is €850 and I recommend booking in advance, as only 300 people a day are allowed to enter.
So welcome to Barranco del Infierno. All the trail is 3 hours, totally. We close the waterfall around about 2:30. And we close the park maximum 4:30. It's enough time. Very sensible. Here is walking one person, here's another person. We have 2 persons inside if you need something.
After a short security brief, you'll be given a helmet and ready to go.
Mister?
And bring your ID, you will be denied access otherwise. This is the beginning of the hike. This helmet will kill me, because it's quite hot. It's 6 kilometers hike, so it's not too bad. So we'll see. Barranco del Infierno, or Hell's Ravine, is a dramatic and beautiful place. The path is winding between vertical rocks, leading to the highest waterfall on Tenerife, the final destination of the hike. This relatively easy walk offers loads of wonderful vistas and is a must for anyone who wants to catch a glimpse of the more natural, untouched side of Tenerife. Make sure you have enough water and shoes suitable for rocky terrain. The hike is quite easy. It's quite flat. There's no steep sections. We had a few climbs here and there, but really easy. So let's see, we approach the waterfall now, and that's the final point of the hike. It's quite hot. I'll be definitely losing a few pounds here. Oh, and sweat's dripping in my eyes because of the bloody helmet. This is the flora and fauna of the place. Wow, beautiful really. And that's why we have to wear these helmets all the time. Look at this overhanging cliffs. It was quite surprising to find out there's a waterfall in south of Tenerife, because this place is so dry. And I think this waterfall never dries out. Finally in the shades, so it's much easier to walk. It's cooled down now. It's probably comfortable 18 degrees or something. Much better. Sounds of water in Tenerife. Oh, I miss that. Oh, look at those birds. They're not afraid of me at all. Look at them. How beautiful. It turns out those birds are partridges. Not quite wild, as they rely on passing tourists to get fed. Look at this beautiful tree. Okay, so here there's a danger of falling rocks. To be honest, I don't think my helmet will save me if the rock is big enough. Anyway, this is now at the bottom of the canyon with 200-meter rocks on both sides. Well, that's interesting. Autumn leaves in mid-January, Tenerife. This is someone's house. Yes, a nice place. Here at the waterfall, it took me 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I guess I'll do the whole hike for less than 3 hours. This hike is actually really easy. It can be done in 3 hours because there's no stops. If you want to take pictures or videos, it's kind of repetitive. There isn't a lot to photograph. It's a bit boring, to be honest. And I hope this $8.50 admittance fee going to nature conservation, most of it. It's a bit overpriced. To be honest, the most difficult part of the hike is getting to the starting point. It's a really steep 10 minutes walk. So yeah, you lose a lot of energy.